Hello, I'm Justin with Aristatek, and today I'm going to show you how to export data from Tier2Submit. We can see under our facility list from the red exclamation point that there is missing information under Facility Demo. This will prevent us from exporting data. By selecting the exclamation point, we can see what information is missing. But I will show you what that looks like. Go to the top right corner of the screen and select Export/Submit. Select Create a Submission File and All Facilities. As expected, we cannot export the file. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to delete this facility and then show you how to export the data. Select Export Submit from the top right-hand corner of the window. Make sure that all facilities are selected and a .t2s file is preferable. Select Make File. At this point, just create a file name and choose where to save it. Saving to the desktop is a good default in order to find the file quickly. And this concludes our demonstration videos for Tier2Submit. Have a nice day.